Good morning, everyone. Achieving functionality through simple design needs a genius of its own. This genius was achieved in the Drummerboy sheep shears and the Anglepoise lamp. My group members and I have explored the mechanism of both these designs and included a detailed analysis of user experience and spring actions unique to both the designs that helped achieve this functionality. Harshita will take you through the evolution and overall look and feel of the objects, while Kanushri will talk about the mechanism and ergonomics of both the designs in detail. Finally, Samiksha will conclude with the utility of the designs. We have also added references at the end. But first, let's get familiar with the minds behind these genius designs. James Ball and Charles Bergen designed the Drummerboy sheep shears and also brought them into production, while George Caverdine patented the design for the Anglepoise lamp.
Introduced long before modernism, the design of the shears was way ahead of its time, yet the manufacturing and skills required to produce them have remained largely unchanged for over 270 years. Moreover, the function of sheep shearing was directly derived from its fluid form. Now, all of this was in contrast to Cavardine's lamp, which has been constantly evolving its design according to use and thus always staying relevant to the times. Though belonging to two different eras, both the designs follow a minimalistic, structured, and highly utilitarian approach. On the left, we have the sheep shears with two single pieces of 6.5-inch long steel blades and the trademark red handle that curves outwards. To the right, we have the Anglepoise, identified by its angular neck and exposed springs. It has been made from various materials over the years, evolving from full steel prototypes to models made from brass and aluminum. As visible, both these objects are very minimal in terms of the material used, which makes maintenance a very easy task. Now, let's take a look at the mechanism and ergonomics of these designs.
The two designs have their own unique mechanisms. The drummer boy has a spring action that works on the principle of elastic feedback. That means the spring action takes place due to the blades pushing back to return to their original position, thus achieving its springiness in the absence of a spring. The Anglepoise, on the other hand, functions on a spring, crank, and lever mechanism, which was actually discovered by Caverdine while working with automobiles. Since both these designs have a highly functional approach, the dimensions also play an imperative role in their mechanism. The sheep shears, as seen on the left of the slide, had accurately planned dimensions, and for the more angular design of Anglepoise on the right, Caverdine planned out the dimensions on what felt right. Both these objects are icons in the world of design, and giving them this status is their user-friendly approach. The shape of the drummer boy is such that it reduces weight by allowing the usage of thin steel, as seen on the left, while also maintaining strength. The spring mechanism is smooth, ensuring that the blades revert to their original position quickly after applying force. The user experience is enhanced with reduction of physical labor required in operating the sheep shears. Anglepoise, on the other hand, has a heavy base, as seen on the right, that provides stability and balance. Unlike the sheep shears, the spring mechanism in Anglepoise is such that it maintains its original position once released.
Now, moving on to the efficiency incorporated in these designs. The sheep shears single bore design gives it a stiff squeeze, thus providing grip along with greater resistance to blade separation. It was designed to be used single-handed so that the shearer's other hand can hang on to the resistance customer. In Anglepoise, freedom of movement allows it to be positioned with the lightest of touch exactly where you need the light to fall, and the use of geometry makes it multifunctional and easy to move around. These designs have been considered among few of the world's greatest designs and are vastly similar even though they are unrelated in terms of their function. Both followed a similar elegant and minimal look while working on a spring mechanism that helped achieve their user-friendly qualities. The drummer boy sheep shears and the Anglepoise lamp are still extremely functional and relevant in today's time, still tremendously useful and elegantly timeless. Thank you.